Here's a strange fact: the people who build the most wealth over time often aren't the ones with the most willpower. They're the ones who removed willpower from the equation entirely. This is called automation, and it might be the single easiest financial habit you'll ever set up. The idea is simple. Instead of relying on yourself to remember to save every month, you set up a system once that does it for you automatically, without you having to think about it again. Here's why this matters so much. Willpower runs out. By the end of a long month, after bills, groceries, and everything else, most people simply don't have the mental energy left to manually move money into savings. Automation solves this by removing the decision entirely. Here's how to set it up in 3 simple steps. Step 1. The moment your paycheck arrives, automatically transfer a fixed amount to a separate savings account. Most banks let you schedule this for free, so it happens the same day every month, before you even see the money in your main account. Step 2. Automate your bill payments too. Late fees and missed payments quietly drain money that could be going toward savings. Setting bills to pay automatically removes that risk completely. Step 3. If your bank or investment app allows it, automate small transfers into an investment account as well, even a small amount like $20 or $50 a month. Over years, this becomes significant, purely because it never stops. Here's the psychological trick that makes this so powerful: money you never see in your checking account is money you never miss. Most people don't consciously decide to skip saving, they just spend what's visible to them. Automation makes your savings invisible to your daily spending decisions, which is exactly why it works. You don't need discipline for a system you never have to actively manage. This is also why automation beats budgeting apps for a lot of people. A budgeting app requires you to check it, update it, and stick to it every day. An automated transfer requires you to set it up once, and then do nothing at all. If you're starting from zero, here's what to do this week: log into your banking app, find the Automatic Transfer, or Schedule Transfer, feature, and set up a transfer of just 5 to 10% of your income to move automatically on payday. That's it. You don't need the perfect amount. You need the system running. A year from now, you won't remember deciding to save. You'll just have savings. If this helped, subscribe. Every week, one simple money lesson, no jargon, no hype, just what actually works.